Hi guys, it's Sarah. I'm just going to go over a couple foam roller exercises that you can do at home if you have a foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, you can purchase one pretty affordably on the shop that we have posted on Life Center Plus's Facebook page, okay? All right, so the first one is going to be for our glutes, because our glutes, especially if you're sitting all day at a computer or something, your glutes are going to need rolled out to get those muscles and fibers all moving around again. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come onto one side of that foam roller, and I'm working on my right side here. So I got all my weight on my right glute. I'm just going to roll it back and forth and really dig deep into that tissue, moving slightly front to back. Now I can also take my right leg, and I can lift it up and bring it down, up and down, and then I can that really digs deep into that tissue. Maybe move back a little bit, same thing, up, down. Now you want to do each of these for 20 to 30 seconds. So I can roll it for 20 to 30 seconds, and then I will go ahead and lift it on a nice tight spot, 20 to 30 seconds, okay? And then you would want to do the other side. All right, the next one I want to do is for the back, because you, again, are sitting a lot, especially if you're at a computer. You don't want this on your lower back. You want it up like under your rib cage. Okay, you're gonna keep your butt on the floor. You're gonna lean back and sit up. Lean back and sit up. Maybe 6 to 8 reps of this. And then you're gonna come up onto that back and you're gonna roll up and down. Again, stopping when you get to your middle back, keeping your rib cage on the foam roller, not going into that lower back, okay? All right, the last one I'm gonna do today is for your quads. So you can do both at the same time. Go ahead and lay on that foam roller, roll it front to back. Now here I'm doing both quads. If I only wanna do one, then I'm gonna take that top leg off. This gets quite a bit deeper into that muscle tissue, okay? And again, I can bend my knee and straighten on that leg that I'm working, and that really digs into that quad. Maybe move it up and do the same thing here, bend and straighten. So you'll want to roll that out for 20 to 30 seconds and then give it a bend and a straighten for maybe 5 to 6 reps on each spot. Roll it down, bend, straighten. Then I would go and do my other quad the same way, okay? Hopefully you found these helpful. I plan on next week doing a full length live foam rolling class. It'd probably only be 15 to 20 minutes. That's really all you need, but you could do it right along with me. All right, thanks.